Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to do a refresh on my kitchen nook. You can see this area once you walk in my front door and walk past the living room, dining room combo. This is a focal point that I would like to concentrate on and give it a little new look. First of all, I'm going to concentrate on that box there that you see sitting on the table. I participated in a collab by Wani over at Wani's house, and when I made that box I knew I was going to reuse it over and over again for each season, so I'm going to concentrate on that first. So here is the box. I pulled everything out of it, and I'm going to place these red roses all over the top of this box here that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now what I have done, I have taken my wire cutters and snipped the roses off of their one stem there, one bunch, so I can have single roses. And I'm just going to stick these in the box here. And I'm doing it in rows of 4. And I want it somewhat tight. This has taken me approximately 6 bunches of roses from the Dollar Tree. And here is my box full of roses here. I wanted to do the roses for Valentine's Day, but I can keep these out here round almost because I love the color red in this space. Now the next thing I'm going to work on is my table. These chairs I've had for many years. I'm missing one. I had a set of 6. One was damaged. One was damaged. So I only have a set of 5. I'm going to replace these chairs with something different. If you have been following me on Instagram, I gave a sneak peek. So you need to be following me on Instagram because I do show things sometimes there before I bring it to the channel. I'm going to change these chairs out, and I'm going to do a little something with my table. I am going to paint the base of my table, not the top, just the base, the legs, with this Waverly white chalk paint. I love using this chalk paint because you do not have to prep your surface. I'm going to paint it with this, and then I'm going to apply this chalk paint by Waverly as well. It's called Mineral. I'm going to put some brush strokes in the legs. Waverly can be found at Walmart. And to apply those brush strokes, I purchased this brush here from Hobby Lobby using my 40% off coupon. So the next time you see my table or my kitchen nook, it will have a totally different look. So stay tuned. So guys, I painted this table, the bottom or the base of the table, with the white chalk paint. And then I started with my brush, making brush strokes, and I didn't like it. Alright? So right now I'm just going to paint it with this same color, a solid color. Because the element that I have coming next will look so much better with it being a solid color. Alright guys, here's the reveal of my kitchen nook. The refresh of my kitchen nook. I am loving this space. So I'm going to take you in for a closer look. I'm going to start with the table since I painted the base of it with chalk paint. Loving that color now. And then also these bar stools that I picked up from at home. Just took it up to a whole nother level, this dining set. I have two right there. I bought 6 of them, and I am in debate whether to buy 2 more to go on each end here. We will see. And I kept my setting simple here because this is our kitchen nook. We do eat at this table every day. So I just placed my red plate, a red bowl, and my red stemware here with a taupe placemat or a tan placemat. Placemats I picked up from Tuesday Morning. The red plate and bowl set I've had for many years, but I picked them up from Family Dollar, and I think they do still have them. And my stemware I recently picked up from Home Goods. And each setting is the same. Now my centerpiece, I keep this box on my table. I made this in a collab with Wani over at Wani's house, and I replace the flowers in it each season. So I put red roses only in the box this time, with it being Valentine's Day. And I really and truly can leave this out as long as I want to, because my favorite color is red, and this area here, including my kitchen and my family room, have some touches of red in this space. But guys, this is my refresh of my kitchen nook. I used some things that I already had, which I kept my table, and I shopped my home for my accessories on my table. My window panels stayed the same, but I did, however, went out and bought some bar stools because the old ones that I had, they were breaking and needed to be replaced. So it doesn't take a lot of money. A lot of times you can shop your home for a refresh to give yourself a different look. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by pushing that subscribe button and subscribing to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.